Hey everyone, it's Shalina and welcome back to my channel. So, Diwali is here, and who all are excited for Diwali? Well, I am super excited, but I have lots of assignments, tests. I have lots of assignments, tests, and जिनके ऑनलाइन सेमेस्टर चल रहे होंगे उनको तो पता ही होगा. Also, placement, don't get me there. So, मुझे लगा नहीं था कि मेरी वीडियो बन पाएगी, बट स्टिल आई ट्राइड टू get some time out of my load and hectic schedule, and finally I am coming up with this DIY candle videos which I wanted to make like from so long. And also make sure you watch till the end, and I hope that you like all the hard efforts that I put this in the video. So make sure you like it, guys, and subscribe to my channel also. And also I have my Instagram account. You can follow me there. You can find me there. Let's see the video. The candle turned out pretty well except the middle section. That I did a mistake. Actually, you have to first froze the half part of the candle, then you can put the another. So how to prepare this? First I have take some candles and then break it into pieces. You can just use the full part also. Then put it up on the gas, and you can see it has started melting from the start itself. Now when it melted, you have to stir as well so that the lower part didn't get burned. And take out the twigs. So this is the mayonnaise jar that I have used. You can see these candles, like I have first tried to put some candle inside and it didn't go off, and now I have put the thread on the toothpick, and now I am pouring the candle melts into the jar. You can see now it has started to freeze. Also you can see there's a slight difference in the color because I have put in some crayons also. Now for the second candle, I have actually stick this wicks into the toothpick using the candle itself. I have actually used the half part of the bottle, and now I am pouring the candle melts into the bottle. This is the other half part of the bottle. Now the candle froze. I actually put it in the freezer so that it froze fast. And take off the outer plastic, and the candle is done. It really came out pretty, and whatever things were written on bottle, that also printed. It's nice actually. Looks good. And you can see in the bottom part there are like sparkles because I put in some sparkles. So I have taken this container now and cut out some part from it so that I can make some water candles. I am pouring the water into the glass. You can see some twigs in there also because I have put in some twigs, and like it should not float on the water. So I have put in some gum also, baby gum inside this. The result actually came out pretty well, and I'm so much in love with these candles. Make sure you share the result with me also and tag me if you're going to make these candles. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then do like it, share and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel for all the hard efforts I have put in my channel. Happy Diwali in advance. Bye.